Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to the chat with the voice recording. Tap and hold the voice message so it becomes selected. You'll see a check mark. If you want to remove more than one, tap additional voice notes to include them. Make sure you recognize the timestamp and sender before proceeding, because once you delete, recovery options are limited unless you have a backup. Once the correct items are checked, get ready to use the delete controls. Now tap the trash icon that appears in the top toolbar. You'll see choices like delete for me and delete for everyone. Pick delete for everyone to remove it from all participants if it's within the allowed time window. If you only want it off your device, choose delete for me. Bear in mind that delete for everyone only works within the permitted time and won't affect recipients who already saved or forwarded the audio. Make sure your app is up to date to see all options. Confirm the deletion when prompted and observe the chat. You should see a placeholder that says this message was deleted. If delete for everyone fails, the message may be outside the allowed time frame or the recipient uses an outdated app. In that case, politely ask them to remove it or delete their copy. If deletion options are missing, update WhatsApp, restart the app, and check whether a recent backup restored the message. If problems persist, reinstall.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.